Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please make sure you like, share and subscribe. This is just going to be a short one, so let's get into it. So I'm back today just to share a few recruiters for healthcare assistants after my previous video of the recruiters in Ireland for the different professions and the nursing profession or the healthcare sector. People still came back to my inbox on my Facebook, on my Instagram to ask for links for healthcare assistant jobs. So I just did a little bit of research and I got a few email addresses. So I'm just going to give you 10. But if you feel like out of the 10, just try, guys, because there are some that want people who are already in Ireland, and then there are some that will help you process. They just want you to be eligible to work in Ireland. So I'll just give you 10. If you want to find more, you can go on irishjobs.ie or Indeed Ireland and you'll find more of the jobs. But I'd advise you guys to apply, put in your CVs as much as you can everywhere, and I'm sure you get at least one or two positive responses. Another thing that I've done, I've emailed a few of the recruiters that I know, like the ones that I posted previously. Service was said at the moment they are not recruiting healthcare assistants. They want those within the European side of the world because they don't want to go through the, or I don't, they didn't say they don't want, but I think it's the whole issue of permits. So they say they want people who are already in Europe with 2 years experience. And then I went on to inquire with OSP Recruitment. OSP said they have enough for now. They don't have any openings or they don't have any jobs for healthcare assistants at the moment. And then on that note, pertaining to nurses, Service was did say to me that they are actively recruiting. So just send in your CVs to Service. If you've got your DL already, send in your paperwork, start the process. And then also they even say that they're looking for mental health nurses, like if you have a mental health nurse DL. So I don't know, for those who are mental health nurses, I know everyone finds it easier to come as a general nurse and then process, I think, the rest when they're here. But if you can, I think it will be an added advantage to you salary wise to just come as a mental health nurse if you've got the qualification. So you can inquire with them, but they really did say to me they are looking for mental health nurses at the moment. Anyway, so let's get into it. So I've gotten 10 recruiters with the emails. I'll put them in the description box. And then basically the basic requirement for to be a healthcare assistant in Ireland is the QQI level 5 in healthcare support or equivalent. So you can look further into that. Those who are healthcare assistants will probably know what I'm talking about. Those who are not, who are looking to change careers, you can go on Google and look up what exactly that is or where you can get the qualification. And the salary range is 15 for all these recruiters. I just went through them. They are all basically offering a salary range of 15 to 18 euro per hour. Some I'm seeing per annum, it's 20, from as low as 24,000 to as high as 42,000 per year. So I guess this now all depends on your experience. Then also an added advantage for you would probably be experience in intellectual disability. I see people with intellectual disability qualifications or experience in taking care of people with intellectual disabilities are paid more. And then also if you have a driver's license, I think it's more convenient because then you can do community work where you're going to these people in the community. And then also the minimum experience that I saw also that would be maybe an added advantage would be at least 3 months. But I'm sure if you're 2 years, 5 years in the game, then you earn more. So it all depends. Ireland, like I always say, it all depends on your years of experience. The money you're paid per hour, it depends on your years of experience. So if you've got a bit of experience, happy days. If you don't, you know what, we all start from somewhere. You'll gain the experience. As you go on, you earn more as you gain more experience. So number one is Drumcondra, Home Help and Help&Care. Home Help and Care Services. So Drumcondra, Home Help and Care Services. So I'll put the email in the description box. Just send your CV or just send them an email. Find out, I'm from Zimbabwe, I'm from Kenya, I'm from South Africa. I want to apply for a healthcare assistant job. How do I do it? What are your requirements? You know what, guys, if you don't try, you'll never know. Don't be scared. Don't shy away from things. Be bold about it. Be intentional. You know what I said? Be intentional this year. Pop in your CVs wherever you can. You never know where your or you're meant to be like. So Excel, then the second one is Excel Recruitment. So info@excelrecruitment.com, that's their email. I'll put it in the description box. Number 3, BlackRock Health. Number 4, Cpl Resource. Number 5, Ttm Healthcare Solutions. Number 6, Peamount Healthcare. Number 7, InisCare Group. Number 8, XPress Health. And number 9, Brothers of Charity Services Island. Brothers of Charity, I noticed, takes a lot of social care workers as well. So if you're a social worker, you've got an opportunity there. Social workers, support workers, healthcare assistants, they take a lot of those. So try your luck. The Nua Healthcare, Nua Healthcare. So I'll put in all their emails in the description box. Make sure you've got a CV with all your qualifications, your healthcare qualifications, your experience. Like I always say put what's relevant to the job. And yeah, so basically that's it. It's just a short one, just to help those who've been coming to my inbox, because I find every single day I have people in my inbox asking. So Drumcondra, Excel, BlackRock Health, Cpl Resources, Ttm Healthcare Solutions, InisCare Group, XPress Health, Brothers of Charity Services Island, and Nua Healthcare. Check the description box for the emails. Thank you guys. Please like, please share, please subscribe.